Did you know that 72% of CEOs believe their organization struggles with leadership effectiveness? Leadership is hard. It's not just about having a vision. It's about navigating decision-making, conflict resolution, and team dynamics. One powerful tool in a leader's arsenal is the use of problem-solving models. Throughout this video, we'll explore 7 proven leadership problem-solving models to help you navigate the complexities of leadership and guide your team towards success. The first model we'll explore is the 5 whys. It's a simple yet powerful technique for getting to the root cause of a problem. Imagine a team struggling with missed deadlines. Instead of placing blame, a leader using the 5 whys would ask, why are deadlines being missed? This probing continues until the root cause is unearthed. The beauty of the 5 whys lies in its simplicity and its ability to cut through assumptions. It encourages curiosity and collaboration, allowing teams to address underlying issues, not just symptoms. The GROW model shifts the focus from problem solving to solution finding and personal growth. GROW stands for goal, reality, options, and way forward. It's used in coaching to help achieve goals. Leaders help define goals, explore reality, brainstorm options, and formulate a way forward. The GROW model empowers ownership of challenges. Our third model takes a more analytical approach to problem solving. Force field analysis helps leaders visualize the forces driving or hindering a desired change. Imagine a company wanting to implement a new software system. By listing and analyzing these forces, leaders can develop strategies to strengthen the driving forces and weaken the restraining ones. This model provides a clear visual representation of the challenges and opportunities, enabling leaders to make more informed decisions. The decision-making matrix provides a structured approach to evaluating options when faced with a complex decision. A leader needs to decide on a new marketing strategy. The leader lists all potential options as rows in a matrix and identifies key criteria. Each option is scored against each criterion, creating a visual representation of strengths and weaknesses. This method removes subjectivity, leading to more objective, data-driven decisions. Sometimes, problems are multifaceted and their causes are interconnected. This is where our 5th model, the Fishbone Diagram, comes into play. Imagine a team grappling with declining customer satisfaction. The Fishbone Diagram helps visually map out potential causes, categorizing them into different categories. By brainstorming within each category, the team gains a comprehensive understanding of the factors contributing to the problem. This visual representation helps identify patterns and relationships, enabling targeted solutions. Our 6th model, Appreciative Inquiry, takes a positive and strengths-based approach to problem solving. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, it encourages teams to explore what's working well and build upon those strengths. Imagine a company facing declining morale. Appreciative Inquiry would start by asking questions like, can you share a time when you felt truly engaged at work? This approach fosters a more optimistic and solution-oriented mindset. It empowers teams to create a positive and engaging workplace. Our final model, the 6 thinking hats, encourages teams to approach problem solving from multiple perspectives. Imagine a team trying to make a critical strategic decision. The 6 thinking hats provide a framework for structured and parallel thinking. Each hat represents a different mode of thinking. White hat, objective thinking, focusing on facts. Red hat, emotional thinking, exploring feelings. Black hat, cautious thinking, identifying risks. By metaphorically wearing each hat, the team can explore the problem from all angles, fostering a holistic understanding and encouraging creative problem solving. I once worked with a CEO who was struggling to improve team collaboration. By implementing the 6 thinking hats model, she created a more inclusive decision-making process, boosting team morale and productivity. By incorporating structured problem-solving models into your leadership toolkit, you can approach challenges with greater clarity and confidence. Leadership is not about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions and fostering collaboration. Share your thoughts in the comments below and check out my next video on effective leadership strategies.